My bad, my bad. Mic is on now. Oh man, y'all missed all that. Okay, so here's the play for today. I took a small position on Nero for a little bit of reprieve right here. And I'm just gonna see. I was looking for a reversal today, but I'm really looking to hold this a little bit longer. It's been in this kind of channel here for a while, and I want to see if it can work its way back to the top. But that's the overall plan for the day, and then I'll be trading other things with the other 1500 that I have. So we will see. We'll let that one ride. UPC, MDGS. Okay. Finding a little bit of a bottom here. Got to get going back up though. I want to see smaller red candles on the 5 and the 15. Okay. Euro looking like, can it start to head back up? Need to see quite a bit of consolidation down here. Shorts have taken profit. All right. Like I was saying earlier, SCKT I do not like because I've traded this one before and I lost a pretty good amount of money on it because after the open, it starts to spike. I mean, big spikes up and down. So from my experience, I don't want to mess with that one. MDGS was another cheaper one. Acor has now SCKT has a shelf registration for this year, or is that right? SCKT. SCKT. Make sure I'm saying that right. Okay, yeah, it has a shelf registration for this year. Why did I put that in the notes wrong? Oh, no, no, that's the right one. SCKT has a shelf registration for this year. Acor has a shelf registration for last year. UPC making some moves. We'll just watch it. But Nero is my play today. Buying down under here, looking for it to find a little retracement. We will see on the open. Have about 10 minutes to the bell. Getting back up. Can it hold those 24s? Is it setting up a 3-bar play? I'm not going to add to this because it may be setting up a 3-bar play to go lower. So just going to be patient here. It is well away from that 25, 32, 90 MA. So I'm not even going to worry about that. What's up, One Life? I am looking for Nero to make some moves today. I did buy on this little dip here towards VWAP, but I didn't want to sell my shares just yet. Right now, looking at the daily chart, we have this previous bottom at the 1592 and then the 2124. I'm looking for it to move away from that 2124 back up to the 30s. But it's got to consolidate a bit. So it's definitely not a 3-bar play on the 5 minute. A-Core and ALZN can make moves, but it is Friday, so who knows? Yeah, true, it's Friday, so you never know where the crucifixion will happen. Good morning, everyone that's tuning in. I'll see what Nero can do on the open. If it just comes up here to the 28 and fails, I'll go ahead and get out up here. If it just fails, that's on me. My bad. Okay. SCKT still going up 140%. Like I said, that is not my favorite on the day. Let's see. Let's see. Nothing else really interesting me right now. This may be a 3-bar play. I thought it was going to go ahead and stay green up here, but it is not staying green. It needs to hold those 50s. Got about 30, 45 seconds left on this candle. I would love to see it stay green here as confirmation. Possibly get over the 50s. I see the 60s on the tape. Don't know if that's sellers taking position or if that's buyers. Saw the 50 real quick. It got snapped down. Got about 5 minutes to the bell. Getting on up there above the 50s. 66 is there. Looking for it to make some moves on the open. We'll see though. High is the 28 up here. 27. Where is the sentiment? Can we start to get over this 2410 level? SCKT still bundling up. Nice little trader. MDGS, A-Core, UPC. Well, I'm gonna stick to what I got over here, man. It's been playing around in this range for a long time. I want to see it get back up to those 24s and start to hold. Got 4 minutes to the bell. It needs to get over those 70s. Acor, Acor, yeah, Acor is looking okay, but it does have that shelf on it. So maybe a weird little trader. UPC looking ugly. Wow. SKT doing the same exact movements it did the last time I traded it, but only open, man. I tell you, it gets ugly. It gets real ugly. Can we start getting above these 70s and holding on Nero? Looking for the move back up. 75 starting to hold. Can we get it back above the 24s? Can we get that nice buying pressure? Want to see some FOMO buyers in here get me back up to my level, and I will take off up there. If it can just blow through that 24.50, that would be grand. But I have high expectations for this one. Maybe it won't do all that. All right, in 30 seconds, we should be seeing the open. See what kind of sentiment this thing can get. Looks like it just double topped, which is not a good sign. Yeah, double topped at the 24. Ugh. Needs to break that 24 as soon as it opens, really. Let's see which way it goes. Uh-oh. Can we get those 75s to hold? '70s. Market is open. Can we get any movement up on Nero? Nope. Straight down, pop down. Looks like a 3-bar play here. May lose quite a bit of money. Can we get that pop off of that bottom there? Nope. Well, that is quite a bit. All right, let's see what else we got up here. UPC. Nothing really looking like what I want. Can we get back over the 23s? Looking quite heavy here. Nope. Taking one for the team today. There's a little bit of a pop. Can we start to get back up here to the 23s? There we go. Hold those 23s up there. There we go, 2304. Nice. Take a little bit there. 55 shares in. Looking for this nice little pop back up on Nero. Buying that little pop right there. Nice, nice. And 60 shares. Trying to see what kind of moves it wants to give up. Can it give any moves back up? Testing that 20. Can we get the 2350s? Got this bottom here of the 21.19 will have to be my out here. 21.19. See if it can get back over and go into green on today. 21 or 24.20s is the green mark. Nope. Wow. It's not even calculating me in. I don't know where I'm at right now. Looks like it went into a halt. All right, 21.49, or is it halting? There it is. Finally popped up there. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's see if I can reverse this pattern. MDGS, $2 stock. MDGS, I do not like. That one, trash. Nero, what you got? All right, it's back down to this bottom here of the 21.23. Will it break this bottom and hold? Went down there and tapped it. $22s. Gotta get up there. 8-core. Doing things. XBIO. 8-core. All right, looks like my Neuro is popping up a bit. See if we can start to hold those 23s up there. Let's get back above the 22.50. Not seeing it yet though. 22.50s. 22.50s. Still not seeing it. Nice. There we go. Bought in a little bit more. Looking for this move up. Bought in a bit more on Neuro. Looking for this move up. Shorts have been winning for too long. Can we get over the high here of the 23.85? 23.85 here. $23.75s. One more buy up like that. That would look nice. $23.69s. Can we hold those 75s on the bid? Not looking like it. See the 40s back up there. 25s. Struggling with that 25 level. Looks like it wants to go green on the day. Added a little bit more there. My average price is at the 25.81. 25.81 there. See if we can get up there, get a little taste. '50s, '70s. Looking for this thing to get back into this 2450 level. Trying to get shorted. Ooh, big shorts coming in. Oh boy. 21.24. Did not expect those shorts to come in that heavy, but they are in there and not playing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So we came down to this bottom here. It's got a top side up there at the 28s. And I don't know what it wants to do. Can we hold the 70s? 80s, 88s right there. '79s. '75s. Kinda held. We'll see how strong it wants to be here. '97s. Can those '75s hold? Held up that previous level. A little bit of resistance up here as well, right here. Right through here. Can we get the 60s up there? 60s. '50s. Pulling back up there in Neuro. Let's see. Anything else looking okay? Nah. All right, so back over to Nero. Trying to hold up here. 22.32. We did have this trend line coming down. I don't know if it can get up there and test it or get through it. We'll see. Holding up those 60s now. 20s getting on up there, getting a little pop and drop. 24s. Needs to get up here and hold the 75s. on the bid. 64s real quick. 50s, 60s. Looking for it to get over the 23s and start to hold. Not seeing it yet though. Can we get over the 2290s? There we go, 2313. Getting on up there. Come on now. 2290s need to hold. '18s, '40s. Can we get those 25s to hold? '95s. Can we get the 23s up there? A minute left on this candle. '90s again. Can we get the 91s? There's the 23s real quick. Guys, start holding those 75s here. Get the 52s. There's 52s real fast. Can we get the 60s? 75s got a little push. 56s. '75s. '23s. Shorts are really holding this one down. Needs to get back up here to this 2377 level if shorts get pumped out. 23s, we need to break the 23s. '23s, '84s, '79s. Can we break those '80s? Will they release it? 79s, 80s, 23s, short selling out. It's nice. See how far that goes. Okay, down $2 per share now. 26s. Did it just double top? High. Nope, didn't double top. Can it give us a little bit more motion, maybe up to the 2350? Woo! Shorts coming in heavy. Heavy handed. I'm gonna be looking to decrease my size here as well. I didn't know I burned so much capital on this position. 2360s. $23.50s. Buyers, come on now. 23.52, 63, 65s. Can we push into the 70s? '70s, can we see it? 93s, down $1 now. Just waiting, watching to take off. What's the top side of this? High is the low is a 22.51. Getting shorted down a bit. Can we start to hold those 23.50s? Nope. We'll get any reprieve right here. $23.15's back on there. $23's. $75's. Can we see it? Nope. A lot of shorts in this one, so oh well. At the bottom there of the 21.23, looking like it's want to dive with me. Let's see what else we got up here. Nothing much. Nothing much. Can we hold above the 50s again? Thirty seconds left on this candle. 50's up there very quickly. Need to see that 51. Not gonna see it. Has a very tight range in here from the 24.47 down to the 21.31. Very tight range. Let's see. 18s, 20s. All right, so this thing looks like it wants to go ahead and break the 20s. Go ahead and put a final stop there. MDGS giving a pullback. Give me 1 second, guys. Got a call. All right. Where were we? Oh, we were in the process of losing money. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh boy. Where do I look now? Seventeens. So let's see. This is a little bit of a bottom. I want to see it break that trend. It's got a little steep trend here. Love to see it break that trend. Now it's moved well away from that 2450 we were at just a moment ago. All right. So, wow. Wow, wow, wow. XBIO going up there. XBIO. MDGI. MDGS also up. XBIO looks better though. Wow, I missed that move. Oh well, had to take that phone call. Had to take that phone call. XBIO going to the moon here. All right. What else we got? XBIO. Can we come down and give us a little bit of pullback? That's the only way I can get in here. MDGS did fell out. XBIO going, going, going. Nero, I'm finding a bottom here around this level that it bottomed out on last time. We will see. We still got the trend up there. Don't really know what it wants to do today. See if it can get going up, give us a little green, little mean green. All right, where else do I need to go? Okay. This thing's not slowing down. I missed the entry. The entry was back here. 264. Completely missed it. Mm. All right. Let's see what you guys have been talking about. Snap is on fire. Good morning. Nero. Looking for one more trade, then starting the weekend. It's like XBIO wants to give a little bit of reprieve. A lot of bit of reprieve. All right. I might have to cut this Nero off. It's just going too much. It's literally hurting my pockets now. 25, $5. That, oh my gosh, it's like 500 bucks, isn't it? 375. Ooh, nasty. Came down here to this bottom, 17,672. Is it done? Is Nero finally done forever? All right, XBIO still going to the moon. Yeah, Nero's hurting me, man. I'm gonna have to get out of Nero. Came down in this area. I was like, okay, well, it's bottoming in this area. Could definitely give us a swing back up. Didn't give a swing back up though. Yeah, Nero, man. It's okay. Try to alleviate my pain with other things. Can't believe I missed this move. Yeah, if Nero just gets back to break even, I'm good with that. I'm matter of fact, not even break even, just down $1. Let's see. One life. Dang, be looks like a tough ride. Man, I gotta read these comments. Okay, 2044. Yep, 2044. Look like it bounced back off of that five a little bit. What's this? 20 low of the 2070. See if it can work its way back in that range, but it's looking like I'm gonna need to cut it. See if it can't get going back up. 2088. XBIO also giving a pullback. Yeah, One Life, I know. I had a lot of things that threw me off this morning. But now I'm just gonna trade around it, I guess. Let it play and trade around it. Yeah, One Life. This is a stock you sell short on backside weakness. Yeah. Yep. I don't know, man. This thing really, really went against me. 2050s. Oh my gosh, bro. And XBIO is cramming up every time I don't look at it. It's not consolidated though, so I can't make that entry. MDGS. MDGS coming back up. Will this thing Sigma popping up here? SGMA. Correcting, replacing, financial, not interested. You know what? I just thought about this. I called this on Nero myself. I said it was done for the rest of the week. And here I am holding 75 shares of it. That's all my fault. It's all my fault. All right. XBIO. All right, where am I going to cut this loss? Because it's getting bad, real bad. It's under, yeah, I'm just going to cut it now. It's just too much. I can make that back. It's whatever. Oops. It's too much, man. It's too much on me. Is it going under the 20? Almost got under the 20. I feel so bad with this trade, man. Why did I take this trade? All good. Slap it off. At the bottom right now. Ultimate bottom down there at the 402s. This was an absolute fail. I don't think I've ever paid the shorts this much money. Can we start to hold those 21s? XBIO giving a little bit of a pullback. XIO coming down a little bit. Ah. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get out of this at the 20. If it breaks the 20, I'm out. That's my all out line in the sand right there. So, ooh, I almost did a limit order. Whew. Almost didn't go that way. All right, 19. Yep, that's it. That'll be my stop out. Breaks the 20, I'm out. All right. Line in the sand drawn, and this one over here wants to go again. Getting ready. Giving a pull back here. Going to be a little bit patient. Didn't give me too much to work with. Need to consolidate a little bit. Nice little pullback here. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Yeah, one life. Weeks of consistency can get erased in one trade. Crazy. I do like this one though. Let's see. Not any kind of just super fantastic news on this one, but we'll see. Letting it consolidate a bit before I look to do anything with it. Got out right there, broke the 20s. Wow, that was a loss. Oh my God. Let's see how much I lost. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to look at it. 400 bucks. 400 guapos. $5.83 on 75 shares. All right, well, get over it. Let's move on. It happened. It did happen. Not gonna act like it didn't. Let this one consolidate a bit. Mental break. I might miss something walking away. I'm good. Y'all don't understand my stress level. Dude, trust me. I'm good. Because 400 bucks can be made back today. Today, doing what I do. But it's still a losing trade, very big losing trade. I broke 1, 2, 3. I broke like 3 or 4 rules today. Yeah, I broke a lot of my rules today. Hey, when you break your rules, if I broke one rule, it's like the more rules I break, the bigger the cost. 3 rules equals 400 bucks. I guess I was drunk on Nero. It did pay me what, 900 bucks, and I just gave back 4. Not good. Not good at all. MDGS. Looking like it's making smaller and smaller moves. A core coming back up here. Well, I guess it's good that I didn't go in 200 shares then, right? One Life. Because if I was in 200 shares, then it would have been like, you know, but definitely way over my loss for a day. Usually I have a $50 loss limit. That went way left, way out of the picture. That was one rule broken. Should have just cut it at 50. Then the other rule was it wasn't even on any of my scanners. And then the other rule was it had already ran for multiple days. So I was like, can't do anything about it. Look at it. Still going down. Would have had me down 500-600 bucks. All right, XBIO started to consolidate a little bit here. I like it. Do I want to get in here though? I don't think I want to get in here yet. I'm gonna let this one close. Let this one close real quick. And this is a little bit cheaper stock as well. Went up there to the $4 level, got rejected. Where's the daily resistance here? Daily resistance was at the 385s. Draw that daily resistance. All right. Two minutes left on this candle. Let's see how it closes up. Would be a strong close, weak close. What will it be? Okay, I'm liking it. Liking it, liking it, liking it. Liking it a lot. Coming up to the last minute. See if it pulls back. Okay. Top side looking like the 375s. Continuing to test those 70s. About to close up here. 72s. 5 seconds. Okay. Will it dip? No dip. Not too sure about it. Pulling back here. XBIO, the news is a Form 8K. So not really news, it's just a technical trader. People were just buying it up to be buying it up. MDGS, also a Form 6K. No real, strong news today. People are literally just trading this because it's a low float. This high 73, 74. 74s. Mm-hmm. 56s. Still don't like it. Waiting, waiting, watching. This will be the last trade of the day. If it sets up. Breaks down that 48. I'm not interested anymore. Looking like it's picking up. 368. Nice. Will it go back red? Nope. I'm gonna catch it up here. All right, so we got a bottom here of the 336. I'll be looking to get out. It can't hold up. Not looking to sell out early. 336. See if it can continue back up to that 4. Nope. We got the 310s. 310s. Stop. 309. Waiting, watching. What's this high? High of the 416s there. I don't know if it can actually push. There it goes. A little bit. It's like we froze a little bit. What in the world's happening? Froze just a little bit there. Thirty-twos, 33s, 40s. Can we get the 50s up there? Nice. Let's see. Down 300 bucks now. Can we get those 75s up there? So the last known bottom was right here at the 333s. Can we get back over the 50s? Low was a 339. 339s. Need to see the 40s back up here if possible. Nope. 41s. Getting hammered a little bit. Need to see the 50s back up here. 50s, 55s. Getting hit a little bit there. Can we see those 50s hold? At the out right here, the 337s. 50s popping in. Can we stay over those 50s? Nice. Nice motion upward. 60s. Okay. Starting to pop profit off. Not staying in the 70s, popping a little bit there. Want to see it into the 70s if possible. 64s. Can we hit those 70s? Struggling around the 60s, taking some. Taking. 60s right there. Taking, struggling at the 60s. Taking. 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 115 left. Taking. Taking. $40 shares left. Last bottom was the 334. I let these 40 ride. 334. All right, whatever. Made a little bit back, but you know, down from that 400 level at least. Man. Just gotta follow my rules, man, and stop playing. Stop playing. See if it'll go up anymore. Matter of fact, let's do break even. I'm not trusting this one. 397, $4. If it breaks the 4, 399, I'll be out. I'm not trusting it. That way it'll be a green trade no matter what. We'll see if it can get to those 60s, 70s. If not, it's okay. Man, I can't believe I lost on that first trade like that, bruh. Pulling back a little bit. As long as it doesn't cross that 4, I will be in here. See if it can get bought back up over those 50s. $42s. Can we see the 45s here? All right, I'm seeing some weakness. Let's go for the 425 for out. Seeing a little bit of weakness there. Changing it to the 425. If it doesn't push here, I will be out. 50s, 55s. Nice. 64s. Can we push the top here? The top was the high of the 75. The low of this, if this is an igniting candle, is a 435. 435 here. So 435, I'll be ready to get out if it wants to snap down. If it doesn't want to go, still a nice 50-cent run. If it can't hold the 50s, I'm out. 50s, 60s. 70s. Okay, getting ready to take more profit off. See, 70s. Got up there to the 70s. Didn't really break out like I was looking for. Waiting, watching. 72s. Yeah, it's a little heavy right there. It's probably going to stop me. If this one goes red, it's gonna stop me. Needs to get back over the 60s quickly. 55 struggling there. All right, what's the body of this candle? The body of this candle is the 447. Or is this a double top? Was that a double top? Yeah, it's almost a double top. Not exactly. Waiting, watching to see if it can get this push. If not, I'll be out. Let's move it up to the 450s here. 449 for out. Oops. 449 for out. Looking for it to go. If it can't go, I'm out. Get over the 60s. I don't want to cancel this order because it may snap down. And I don't need that right now. Okay. Can we hold those 60s there? Getting very heavy here. Come on now. You're going to go. Get over the 60s. Man, I can't believe this, man. Closing up Friday. It's a green week, super green week, but this one really got me. 60s right there. Can we get the 61s to hold? Looking for those 61s. 70s, 61s, 62s. Need the break. Got up there to the 60s. Failed again. What? Oh, I was about to say, what? It just froze. All right, coming down, stop me out. Right here. Here. Oh. And I'm out. There we go. Boy, I tell you what, that took a long time. Whatever. All right, so followed up with green trades. Man, I shouldn't have taken this trade here, boy. That thing right there took my soul. Anyway, I took a green, but you know, let me read what you guys are saying over here. I wasn't able to read the comments right then. Okay. Yeah, Danny B, I gave up on daily market, was weak for 3 months. 3CPO says I highly suggest include. Yep. So I had one huge bad trade and then a okay trade, 200 shares. Top pull off was 79 cents. That first trade, man, I was drunk on Nero. I shouldn't have did it. But you know what? I'm still consistent. That's just one deviation in the plan, Just got to get over it. I'm down 344 bucks on that bad trade, man. But I did take a good trade on XBIO. Wow. Easy come, easy goes, man. Wow. Oh my goodness. But you know what? 300 bucks is a lot easier to make up than 400. So I cut back into that little deviation a little bit. I don't know if XBIO can go anymore. It seems like that was it. But maybe Looks like it has a little flat top up here, 470s area. But yeah, everything else faded on the day. Let's see where old Nero is. Let's see where our boy Nero is. Trash. Can't believe it. I shouldn't have traded it pre-market. It didn't meet any of my criteria. It had already had a flat top right here at the 27, which is where I originally sold my first shares, but oh well. All right. Anybody see anything else out there that's interesting? I got 63 bucks. 63 bucks. Let's see if I can take one more trade on XBIO if it can continue up. If it sets up. If it doesn't, oh well. I could take 14 shares of this one, which is sad. The crazy thing is the plan, my strategy still worked after I took that big loss. It still works. It doesn't matter. If I see the setup, take it, boom, 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 80 cents. But man, man. Well, y'all saw me take the biggest loss since May of last year. That's what it is. 300 bucks. The biggest loss since May of last year. Have not had a loss like this since May. A whole year. I should have known it was coming. XBIO not setting up the way I like it. So I'm gonna leave it on the charts. Agri, MDGS. Oh. Finding a little flat top, looking like it wants to push through that flat top right there. 475. Resistance. Right through here. Just not giving any pullbacks that I like. Ooh, wow. Losing my interest. Wow, wow, wow. This was a weird morning. Crazy morning. First time anybody has really called me during the stream that I had to take, but I had to take that one. That was a security call. Hmm. I just don't like that flat top setup anymore. Kind of got up there. With this one, at least it had some wicks going through. This one's just I don't know what it wants to do. It is 9:52. XBIO is pulling up there. Still don't like the setup though. but I'll watch it. Let this candle close. It's got about 3 minutes left on it. Boy, boy, boy. Tell you what, man. The things I do. Crazy thing is, I was down even, I think I was down closer to 500. I think I was $100 down just a minute ago, though. Or not 500, 5,000. Trying to keep the account above 5,000, but boy, that thing almost took my soul. Got to follow my rules. Whether in pre-market, no matter how good the stock has been, do not break the rules for that stock. That was my biggest mistake today, thinking Neuro can do another run. XBIO is beginning to look interesting again. Neuro, just too far faded, too expensive, too everything. XBIO pulling back up there. I do like it now. I can get 14 shares. I don't like it for entry yet, but I'm looking for entries. This was not a double top, was it? 72, 75. Nope, no double top. Let some of those sellers get out of there. On the daily resistance, last time it went up to the 480s. It's at the 425 right now. That's a pretty good bit of resistance, or good ways to go right there. Okay. All right. Where we at? Still don't like this setup. The high of this was the 445. Waiting for this candle to close. If it goes, it'll go without me. I don't like this setup. It's gonna have to close this candle. Six, 56. Can it hold up the 30s? Bouncing to the 33s, 33s. Looking, waiting, watching. Under the 30s. MDGS fading. Everything else looks bad. Okay. Let's focus, focus, focus. About to close this candle up in 30 seconds, or wait. I mean, the 15 minute is 3 minutes. 3 minutes on the 15-minute candle. Go ahead and pull back. Will you show us red? Yep. Trying to hold up that 30 right there. Nice little hold spot. Let's see if it can hold up for 2 more minutes. The fight is on. Okay. All right. All right. Getting a little action in these last 2 minutes. Let's get ready to play ball then. There is the 40s. That's what I was looking for. But it's happening too fast, so it can go without me if it wants to. Sayonara. Too fast for me, even if it goes. Too much, too fast. Waiting for the setup again. The setup is now messed up. So like I said, back on rules. Rules, rules, rules. Let's go. I may not have been able to save myself with that one position, but I can save myself over time with multiple good positions again. Our XBIO looking like it's taking a little dip. Nice, nice. Let's see, what is this? The 428 is the new resistance level that I'm watching. 428. Got up there and tapped the 28. Love tap. $25s. Under the 20s. Cannot hold the 20s. Buying pressure super low right now. Buying volume super low right now. Let's see if it gets knocked back under the 20s. Back under the 20s, revisiting that 19. Not looking too good down there. This thing's having some real problems at that 25 area. Will it revisit the 19s again? 19s back on the bid. 18s, 17s, 16s. PRFX popped up there real quick. What's this one talking about? PRFX is halted. Daily chart looks very, very sketchy. Halting for no reason, no news. It had a form S8 back on the 16th. I don't know why it's going up. I'm not going to touch it. If you want it, you can have it. All right, XBIO consolidating here for a while. Can we get back into the 20s? 20s needs to hold in the 20s. 15s, seeing 14s. 12s. Uh-oh. Maybe a little dip action here. Not buying the dip, but you know, it has a $4 level right there at the bottom of this 15-minute candle for support. $4 level right there. Boy, that thing's close. Very close to breaking it. Looking a little heavy there. Just a little bit. $3.94s. We can watch PRFX. XBIO is really just not interesting me anymore. Let me see. PRFX. Halt time was 11:02:48. Should be opening up at 11:07:48. So we got 2 minutes on that one. We'll watch this one. See if it can go down. Showing a little strength there. Can it get back over the fours? Has about a full 5 minutes on this candle, so I'm not interested in this one just yet. It may go too far too fast again and get shorted down. NBGS. Trash. Coming back up there to the fours. Nice. Still got a lot of time left on this candle. Back under the fours. I see. I don't like that. All right, 11:07:46. 48. 11:07:48 will be the open of PRFX. Got 48 seconds there. Like it's breaking down. Will it break the 90s here? Broke the 90s, and that's over. That's over with for right now. All right, 48 seconds. This one is absolute garbage. I know I'm not trading this one. No news, no nothing. Here it goes. 48 is what we're watching. There it is. Small dip down. Little push up. Wow, that was a small push. Okay. 95s, 48s, blah, blah, blah. About to rip down on some people. Let's see, how high did it open up? From the 57 up to the 69, so a 10-cent open. About to be a graveyard shift. There it is. Bringing the hammer down, baby. Let's see if it'll come down and crack this level here of the 458. 458 right there. And 458, will it do it? Trying to hold up there. Very close. Yeah, I'm not interested in this one, even if it does go. It can go all by itself. Goodbye. Hit the 5, kind of faced a little bit of resistance there at the 5. Can it hold the 90s? There's 5, there it is, 520s. So it held up this level, gave a little bit more, but I do believe a drop is coming on that one. I don't know when, but I do know it's going to come back under the 5 and surprise some people. 503s. Back to the 5s. Woo! Looks like the dumpster's coming. Still has this bottom here of the 458. It's trying to hold up. Trying to hold it off that level. Buying pressure still really low compared to the last buying bar. There's a little bit of buying coming in there, but it's still small. Okay, there it is, building. Well, now we don't know what kind of candle this is going to be. Will it be a sell or a buy candle? Going red to green, red to green. Resistance right here at the 459. Got a feeling it's going to get under those 90s. It's kind of struggling right there. A lot of people buying at the 90s right there just because it held. Getting smashed. I don't even know if it gave them time to take profit right there. Three minutes left on this candle. It may push up on some FOMO because it's holding up the 90s. People just entering into the 90s. 90s. Yep. They're going to make their 10 cents and drop their shares here. Yeah, not my type of stock movement. Still trying to stay above the 459, but I really believe it's gonna fail. It's just too close. And bounced off that level. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Just because people bought there. Yep, there it goes. Cracking it. Easy as butter. On the bid and ask, we're about to see a little bit of a drop. Let's see, where are these numbers going to drop to? 53, 52. It's like 48, maybe 45s ish. But that one's done. I'm not even worried about that one anymore. This one is the one I want to watch now. All right, so this is 370. 17 shares, 15. It's below that last level of resistance that I put up there. Let me see where that was. Below this level. Okay. It's all good. See if it can become strong again. $3.52. I'm gonna fire in with the market order since this is an odd number of shares. I don't have this exact number on my hotkeys. 18 shares. So we will see. India. See where it wants to stop here. Will it hold up that 350 level? We're getting back up there. Trying to hold up the 75. Creeping back up to the 81s. This one's got about a minute left on this 5-minute candle. Getting slammed back under the 75s. Not up. Can we start to hold those 80s here? Nice. 94s. Got through there just a little bit. Can we get back into the 90s? We lost the 90s. All right, 95. 91s. I like it. Holding up those 95s right there. But that $4 whole dollar resistance is right there, very close. Let's see what kind of action it gives off of that. Will it pull back some? Any resistance at the 4? Just a little bit. Just a little bit of resistance. Like it, like it, like it. All right. A little bit more resistance at the 4. All right, I'm going to take, oh, what the heck? 15 shares. I'm going to look to take this one. Yeah. Meant to enter the last time. Didn't let me enter. All right, and I let this one ride. 15 shares in. Let it ride. Let's see what's the bottom of this. 358 is my stop. 358. I would like to get those last shares though before it goes. Let's see. All right. Well, I cannot get those last shares. It's a little bit too expensive now. Stop out. Let's see. 358. 354. Be my stop out here. 354. See if it can hold. We will see if it can hold. Get the 401s up there. Where's that buying pressure? Quickly saw the 401s, very quick. Could not hold it. Last known bottom was the low of the 58. It's looking for those 90s to stay up there, but it doesn't look like they want it. 92s. Can we get the 91? 94s. Instant rejection. Probably going to stop me out here. That shouldn't have happened. Need to see those 90s be strong here. Ones. Three 30s. Three 57s. Yeah, it should have went by now. If it was gonna go, it should have went. Oh well. How much time do we have on this? We have what, like 3 minutes? I don't know, man. Break the fours. Can we see the 401s? Four oh fours very quickly. Okay, so the new out is the 268. Very bottom of this candle, looking like the low, well, 260s. 360s. 360s. I'm not gonna move it yet though. I'm gonna let it kind of do its thing up here. See if it can get going. Get any buying pressure. Do that 4. Need to see the 95s back up there, 96s. Getting a little push down. 346. Getting a lot of push down. Will it break this previous low of the 58? Very heavy here. Can we see the 90s back up there? Where are the 80s? Anything? 80s, 90s, whatever. Nope. All right. Well, this one might go red. 350, 354, 349. I want to see a full break of the 50. Full break of the 50 here. Need to see that 75 start to hold. If not, I'm gonna be out. And like it formed a little downwards trend as well here. We'll see if it can break it. Definitely looks downwards to me though. 350s. Let's see, what is this? The low of the 359. I'll go ahead and move that up there. Because if it does break that, it's probably going to be a 3-bar play. 358. See if it can pull back up over the 75s. If possible. Can it give us any green here? Can we see the 73s? Nope. Didn't push up, so I haven't moved it yet because I'm scared it may dive down while I'm switching it. Can we see those 70s back up there? Nope. Gotta give me a little bit of green for me to be able to change this. It's not giving me any green. All right, XL, XTLB popped up, and ADTX. Coming on down, gonna stop me here at the 50. So I'll go glimpse at something else. My stop is already out. Well, actually, it might just stop me while I'm here. Below the 50. 60s. Got close. Definitely looking like it can go. Did it break this right here? This low of the 59. It did break the 59. Is this a fake or will it go? Drop through the 50. 52s, 51s. And there it is. Out right there. Very small loss. ADTX. Well, guys, that is the last trade of the day. I gave them some tries. Gave them all some tries, but I made a little bit back with that whatever that was, that other play. But I did lose a little bit on that last trade, but okay, still over my account that I'm trying to keep it at. Gotta follow the rules. Gotta follow the rules. Let's go ahead and run over this real quick. Took 2 losing trades. One was huge, and then I took some winning trades on XBIO, but you know, could have been a better day if better choices were made, if rules were followed. But sometimes this happens when you're a trader. It's just, you gotta recoup, get back on the ball. Anyway, let's go over here to the transactions. Here are my buys and my sells. All of the prices at which I the amounts of the prices or the shares that I took right there. So sales. Yep, but it's all good. Be back Monday morning. What is this, Friday? Yeah, Monday morning. Crazy day, man. Crazy day. 351. Oh, but it's all good. I'm going to make that back today. All right. Let's go ahead and close it down. All right, guys. So thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I will be back Monday morning following every single rule because I broke, what, 3 rules today, and it seemed to cost me $300. What a coincidence. But anyway, I got spaded today. Anyway, if you're gonna continue trading, be careful. It's not a game. This is a cash account. This is real, my real money, that is. Woo. But anyway, anything else I want to say? You can check out the content over at Framework Fortune. I am on their website and I'm on their YouTube channel as well. We're kind of like partnered. But anyway, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.